Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening to
Good
all.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Next problems. Last class concept completed, no? First problem. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is the point is the point 4 comma 0 and whose directrix is x is equal to minus 4. Also find the length of latus rectum. See how to solve. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is the point 4 comma 0 and whose directrix is x is equal to minus 4, and also find length of latus rectum. Find length of latus rectum 4a.
The length is 16.
Hmm?
Length is 16.
Yes, correct. Ananya?
Sir, I'm Risha.
Risha. Yes, correct. Length of latus rectum 16.
Sir, and for equation, we need to use y is equal to 4ax.
Y is equal to?
4ax.
Y square is equal to?
Yeah, y square, sorry.
Y square is equal to 4ax. Right hand parabola.
So the equation is y square minus 64 is equal to 0.
64?
Y square plus 64 is equal to 0.
Y square plus 64 is equal to 0.
Yeah.
Y square is equal 64.
So y square is equal to minus 64.
Minus 64.
How did you get y square minus 64?
64x, no? 64x. Now y square is equal to 16 into 4 into x. Then a is equal to,
Sir, it's
So it
actually
becomes
y square.
plus.
huh?
Sir, it's actually
It's not
16x.
16x.
It's 16x.
16x, sorry, 16x, this one. 16x, 4 4 jar. Now a value 4. Now length of lattice rectum 4a, 4 into 4, 16. All of you completed?
Yes, sir.
Ananya?
So I have a doubt.
Huh.
Ye- Okay, nothing.
Anavadya?
Or what exactly is lattice rectum?
Lattice rectum 4a is equal to 4a. Length of lattice rectum 4a.
Then it should be 16, right? If it's 4 day.
Huh? Huh?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, nothing, sir.
See.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry. So, how do we define a lattice rectum?
Definition. Okay. I will explain lattice rectum. All of you complete? Ananya completed? Anavadya?
Yes, sir, done.
Anavadya?
Yes.
Mona Lisa?
Yes, sir.
Santosh? Sri Lakshmi? See, various results related to the parabola. Various results related to the parabola. Results means definitions. Some definitions is there. Chord, focal chord, double ordinate, latus rectum, and focal distance of any point. Diagram note first. First definition, right? Chord. Chord definition, right? The straight line joining, the straight line joining, the straight line joining any 2 points on the parabola. The straight line joining any 2 points on the parabola is called a chord, chord of the parabola. The straight line joining any 2 points on the parabola is called a chord of the parabola. Chord of the parabola. P P dash is a chord. P dash is a chord. P dash is a chord. All of you note down chord definition. Next, focal chord. Focal chord. Focal chord. A chord of a parabola. A chord of a parabola which passes through its focus is called a focal chord. Which passes through its focus is called a focal chord of the parabola. Focal chord of the parabola. PSQ is a focal chord. PSQ is a focal chord. PSQ is a focal chord. Double ordinate. Next, double ordinate. Double ordinate. A straight line drawn perpendicular to the axis. A straight line drawn. See, all of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Double ordinate. A straight line drawn perpendicular to the axis. A straight line drawn perpendicular to the axis of a parabola. A straight line drawn perpendicular to the axis of a parabola and terminated at both ends by the curve is called double ordinate. P dash is a double ordinate of point P. P dash is a double ordinate of point P. P dash is a double ordinate of point P. Next, latus rectum. Latus rectum. A double ordinate through the focus. A double ordinate through the focus is called the latus rectum. Latus rectum is called the latus rectum. That is latus rectum of a parabola is a latus rectum of a parabola is a chord passing through the focus. Perpendicular to the axis. Passing through the focus perpendicular to the axis. Perpendicular to the axis. LS L dash LS L dash is the latus rectum. LS L dash is the latus rectum. Is the latus rectum.
Excuse me, sir.
Ananya,
Sir,
Mona Lisa.
sir, could you please repeat latest rectum?
Latus rectum. Note down. A double ordinate through the focus. Double ordinate completed, no? Mona Lisa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Next, latus rectum. A double ordinate through the focus is called. Through the focus is called the latus rectum. The latus rectum. That is latus rectum of a parabola is a latus rectum of a parabola is a chord passing through the focus perpendicular to the axis. Perpendicular to the axis. Perpendicular to the axis. LS L dash is the latus rectum. LS L dash is the latus rectum. Latus rectum. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, LS dash is a latus rectum. Is a latus rectum of the parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. SL is equal to SL is a symmetry curve. SL is equal to SL dash. SL is equal to SL dash is equal to lambda, we say lambda. So the coordinate of L are a comma lambda. L lies on y square is equal to 4ax. L lies on y square is equal to 4ax. L lies on y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax, and substituting here, coordinate substituting, a comma lambda. Lambda square is equal to 4a into a. 4a into a. That implies lambda square is equal to 4a square. Lambda is equal to, that implies lambda is equal to 2a. Lambda is equal to 2a. Latus rectum. Latus rectum. L dash. Latus rectum L dash is equal to 2 lambda. L dash is equal to 2 lambda. Is equal to 2 into 2a is equal to 4e. Latus rectum is equal to 4e. Latus rectum is equal to 4a. Ls is lambda and S L dash is the lambda, 2 lambda length, total length. Latus rectum LL dash is equal to 2 lambda is equal to 2 into 2a is equal to 4a. Completed? Ananya? Risha?
Yes, sir.
Completed? Okay.
Yeah.
Ananya? Anavadya?
So completed.
Okay. Bhargav?
Completed, sir.
Okay. Himanshu?
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. Pratik? Pratik? Santosh?
Sir, uh, yes, sir. Uh, sir, completed.
Okay. Okay. Sri Lakshmi?
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Completed. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Next, Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, focal distance of any point. Focal distance of any point. Focal distance of any point. The distance of P x comma y, the distance of P, the distance of P x comma y from focus S, from focus S, focus S is called focal distance. Focal distance is called focal distance of the point P, of the point P. The distance of P x comma y from the focus S is called the focal distance of the point P. Focal distance of SP, focal distance of SP is equal to under root SP x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. X minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Now SP is equal to under root x minus a whole square plus y square. SP is equal to under root x minus a whole square plus y square. Now open x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square SP is equal to under root x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square. Now y square, right? SP is equal to under root x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. Now under root x square plus a square minus 2ax plus 4ax plus 2ax is equal to under root x plus a whole square. SP is equal to x plus a whole square. Square root get cancelled. SP is equal to x plus a. SP is equal to x plus a. X plus a is the focal distance of any point P. X plus a is the focal distance of P, focal distance of P x comma y. Focal distance of P x comma y on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Focal distance is equal to x plus a. All definitions is completed. Next problems completed. Ananya, Anavadya, Bhargav, completed, no?
Yes, done.
Okay. Ananya, completed, Ananya? Mona Lisa?
Yes, sir.
Next, Pratik? Pratik, completed? Risha?
He put up the thumbs up sign. Yeah.
Risha, complete, Risha?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Santosh? Sri Lakshmi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Completed. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Prajwal?
Complete.
Okay. Next, problems.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes. Ananya?
Yeah, sir.
Ananya,
I
complete,
finished. I
Ananya?
completed. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. Find the equation of the parabola. Second problem. Find the concepts and all completed in parabola, only problems. Equation of the parabola. Equation of the parabola. Whose foci? Whose is at the point 6 comma 0 and its directrix is x is equal to -6. X is equal to -6. X is equal to -6. Distance between the foci and the point. Let Px comma y be a point on the parabola and focus is 6 comma 0 and the distance between focus and at the point. Under root x minus 6 whole square y minus 0 whole square. And the directrix x is equal to -6. X is equal to -6 means x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. This is equation 1. From equating 1 and 2. From equating 1 and 2. From equating 1 and 2.
So why are we equating them?
Equation find, no? Equation of parabola find.
No, like why are we equating them?
These two equating.
Yeah, like
X and distance between the focus. Under root x minus 6 whole square plus y square is equal to x plus 6. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides.
So what have you written in the third line
Which
between?
one? This one, huh?
Yeah.
Distance between focus and the point. Point x comma y and focus is 6 comma 0. Then x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to y minus 6 whole square plus y square. That is equation 1. And directrix is given x is equal to minus 6, x plus 6 is equal to 0. That is equation 2. This is equation 1, equating 1 and 2. Under root x minus 6 whole square plus y square is equal to x plus 6. Squaring on both the sides. X square plus 36 minus 12x minus 12x plus y square is equal to x plus 6 whole square. X square plus 36 plus 12x. Answer y square. This one 36 get cancelled. X square get cancelled. Y square is equal to 24x. 24x. Y square is equal to 24x is the answer. Equation of parabola, which is the required parabola. Y square is equal to 24x. In board examination, step by step, compulsory write all points.
So why can't we use y square is equal to 4ax over here?
Equation of parabola, madam. Equation of parabola.
Yes, so can we directly use it? Like y square is equal to 4ax.
Directly using.
Yeah, the
Find the
formula.
equation of parabola.
Okay.
Find the equation of parabola.
Yes, so y square is equal to 4ax. So a is
Oh, directly
yeah, A is,
substituting.
yeah.
Yeah.
Wrong. That is wrong. There, process is compulsory. In competitive level, okay. Competitive level, direct. But this one is board examination, no? Compulsory steps, right?
So could you explain why have you equated both of them, like distance between focus and like why have you equated them?
Focus, then only you get equation, no? If you are not equating, how to solve this one, these two equations? Risha, right?
Yeah.
How to solve if you are not equating? How to do? Further step? Solving 1 and 2.
Yeah, yes, I got it.
And before problem also same direct substituting. And first problem. First
Yes,
problem
sir.
completed, no? Himanshu, find
Yes,
the
sir.
equation. That problem also is direct substituting. Y square is equal to 4ax.
Yes, sir.
No,
That's
no,
what
no,
even I did.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Wrong,
even
wrong.
I did that only.
Wrong. This is not competitive class. Okay, before problem also I will explain.
Sir, but honestly, this whole procedure is more complicated than the competitive step. Competitive direct substituting, no problem.
board level, no, board level every step writing every step. Completed? All of you done? Ananya? Anavadya? Bhargav?
Yes, sir.
Completed, no? Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, okay. In first problem also note down. In first problem, see, in first problem, find the equation of the parabola whose focus is the point. Now, focus is 4, 0, right? 4, 0 and directrix. And directrix x plus 4 is equal to 0. Directrix x plus 4 is equal to 0. And let p x comma y be a point. P x comma y be a point on the parabola. On the parabola. Point P, from point P to the directrix. From point P to the directrix. Point P to the directrix. Diagram note down.
So this is first question.
First question solution. First question. This is center or a vertex A 0, 0. Okay, this is the diagram and the directrix x is equal to -4. Now from point P to the directrix, FP, SP upon PM is equal to 1. SP is equal to PM, squaring on
Sir,
both sides.
so how is SP by PM 1?
Huh?
How is SP by PM equal to 1?
See, from starting, you check it once. Standard equation of parabola.
So, but how is SP equal to PM? Like,
SP by PM is equal to E is the constant value. SP by PM is the equal to E is the constant value. Already before class, I will explain. SP by PM is equal to E is the constant value. Now constant 1, E is equal to 1. E is equal to 1, eccentricity. Now SP is equal to PM.
yes, I got it, yeah.
SP is equal to PM, squaring on both the sides. E is equal to 1, SP by PM is equal to 1. Since E is equal to 1 is the parabola. E is equal to 1 is the parabola. SP by PM is equal to E. SP by PM is equal to 1. SP is equal to PM, squaring on both sides. Now SP square is equal to PM square. After that, distance. SP square, these two.
4 minus x whole square plus y
X
square.
minus 4 whole square plus x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to x plus 4 whole square. X plus 4 whole square. Now y square is equal to 16x, right? Y square is equal to 16x. Y square is equal to 16x. Then length of lattice rectum. Therefore, length of lattice rectum 4a is equal to 4 into a 4, 16. Y square is equal to 4 into 4. Y square is equal to 4 into 4 into x. A is equal to 4. In first
So how is
problem,
PM equal to x plus y whole, PM equal to x plus y?
which one? Huh? Himanshu?
So PM square is equal to x plus y whole square, right?
X plus 4 whole square.
Oh, that's 4, sir. Okay, sir. I thought that's
X plus
y.
4, no, not y. Sorry. X plus 4.
So I have a doubt.
Hmm.
In the question, they
Hmm.
only told find lattice rectum.
Hmm.
Then why are we finding equation of the parabola also here?
Equation of parabola.
This is the previous question, right?
This is first question.
Yeah.
This one is
So,
first.
yes, sir, but we are finding y square.
See, problem listen. Find the equation of parabola whose focus is at the point 4, 0 and whose directrix is x is equal to -4, and also find length of lattice rectum. And also find length of lattice rectum and equation of parabola.
Okay.
Length of
yeah.
lattice rectum, equation of parabola. Length of lattice rectum, equation of parabola. Ananya.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Every problem step by step we have to write. Board examination. Conic section.
Sir, how do you
Straight
know
lines also,
SP?
and straight lines, conic section, these 2 chapters, and 3D also compulsory step by step write solution.
So 3D is easy only, no? It's just like straight lines. The introduction to 3D geometry is easy.
Easy.
It's just
easy.
like straight lines.
Next problem. Third problem. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola when its focus is 0, -3 and the directrix is y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Is y is equal to 3. Same model, second problem and this problem. Do all of you do? Same steps. Let p x comma y be the point on the parabola and focus is 0 comma minus 3 and the distance between focus at the point under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then that is equation 1 and directrix is given y is equal to 3, y minus 3 is equal to 0. Then distance from the point P and directrix from equation 1 and 2 equating 1 and 2. Then we will get equation of parabola.
So is the equation x square minus 12y equal to 0?
X square
Minus 12y equal to 0.
minus 12y is equal to 0 or plus 12y is equal to 0. X
Yes,
square.
sorry, x square plus 12y, sorry.
X square plus 12y is equal to 0. Same model, second one and third one. Same steps, right? All of you completed? All of you done? Prajwal?
Doing so.
Done, sir.
Okay, all of you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Next, fourth one, find the equation of parabola. Find the equation of parabola. Equation of parabola whose vertex is at 0 comma 0 and focus at 3 comma 0 and focus at 3 comma 0. Focus at 3 comma 0. vertex is 0 comma 0 and focus at 3 comma 0 which lies on x-axis the equation of the parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. Now y square is equal to 4 into 3 into x. Y square is equal to 12x.
So now we can use a formula.
Now you can use the formula.
Sir, well, steps won't be there, no? Then. Steps will not be there if we use the formula.
Just find the vertex is given, focus is given, then find equation of parabola.
So when exactly are we supposed to use the formula?
Formula, na? Vertex is given, no? That time substituting formula. Vertex.
So the
Vertex
vertex
always
is
0
not,
comma 0, right?
yeah.
Could you do it with that long method once?
Not long method. This one, na?
Yes, sir.
And this one, no long method.
No, sir, the other one where you assume a point x comma y.
Point x comma y. That is directrix is given. That time we have to do that process.
So we can find the directrix over here, no? And then we can use the same method.
Same method.
The directrix over here would be x is equal to -3.
See this problem. Next problem. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of parabola when its vertex is at 0 comma 0 and passes through 5 comma 2 symmetric with.
So this is the fourth question, right? That you're giving right now?
Fifth question. Symmetric with respect to y-axis.
So over here we can directly use the formula, right?
Here
we can directly use the formula, right?
Direct using parabola, upward parabola. X square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4ay. Then a find.
A would be 2.
A is 2 na. A is 2. See,
No, sir,
passes
5,
through
5.
passes through 5 comma 2. Passes through 5 comma 2, which lies in the first quadrant, upward parabola. Which equation of parabola x square is equal to 4ay. Now x comma y 5 comma 2. 5 comma 2 substituting. X square is equal to 4ay. Now 5 comma 2. 5 square is equal to 4 into a into y 2. Now 25 is equal to 8a. Now a is equal to 25 upon 8. A value 25 upon 8. Then a value substituting equation.
No, but isn't the equation y square is equal to 4ax?
Y square is equal to 4ax.
Standard equation, no, sir?
That is right hand parabola.
Oh, okay, sir.
That is right hand parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax.
So how do we come to know, like whether it's
This is y axis, no?
okay?
Upward parabola. Risha.
Yeah,
Risha, right?
yeah, I got it. Yeah.
X square is equal to 4ay. Types I will standard forms. 4 standard
Yes,
forms.
sir. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Right hand, left hand, upward, downward.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Ananya.
So actually, for when you gave the fourth question, I got disconnected.
Okay,
So
okay.
can you
Okay, note down. Problem note down. Problem.
That's fine, sir. I'll get it from one of my friend. Can you just tell how to do this sum so
This
that
sum?
I get an idea? Yeah, how to do the
See,
figure.
y-axis is given. Y-axis equation. Y-axis equation upward parabola. X square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4ay. Now a find a here. See, passes through point 5 comma 2, which lies in the first quadrant in y-axis upward parabola. Then equation is x square is equal to 4ay. Now 4ay x comma y substituting. 5 square is equal to 4 into a into 2. 25 is equal to 8a. A is equal to 25 upon 8. Then a value substituting equation. In equation, x square is equal to 4 into 25 upon 8 into y. That implies x square is equal to 4 1 jar 4 2 jar 25 upon 2 into y. This is the required parabola. Ananya.
So what have you written there? A value?
A value 25 upon 8.
Down below that.
Now 4 into 25 upon
Sir,
8.
that sentence
25 upon 2.
Sir, this sentence. Sir, above that.
This one?
Below that.
Below the.
Yeah. What is that?
In equation.
Oh.
The given equation. Now equation x square. Equation x square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4 into 25 upon 8 into y. X square is equal to 25 upon 2. 25 upon 2 into y. Next problem. Sixth one. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is 3 comma 0, whose focus is 3 comma 0, and directrix is 3x plus 4y is equal to 1. 3x plus 4y is equal to 1.
Sir, over here we need to use that long method, right?
Completed. Same second problem and this problem both are same model. Second one and this one. Distance of point P from the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 1. ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. let Px comma y be a point on the parabola. Then distance between focus and the point, under root x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, under root x minus 3 whole square plus y square. Next.
So what's the answer?
Yeah, answer
Yeah.
16x square plus 9y square minus 24xy minus 144x minus 8 plus 8y plus 224 is equal to 0. (16x square plus 9y square minus 24xy minus 144x plus 8y plus 224 is equal to 0. (24xy) then
So could
after
you
that this one is
so could you please solve it once?
see, let p x comma y be the point on the parabola, distance between focus and the point. Next, distance between point, distance of point p x comma y and the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 1. Now 3x plus 4y minus 1 upon under root 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 3x plus 4y minus 1 upon 3 square 9 5 5.
Yes, sir, 5.
Now equating, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. From equating 1 and 2, from equating 1 and 2, under root x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 3x plus 4y minus 1 upon 5. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then we will get equation 16x square plus 9y square, this equation.
So how do you get 224 over there?
224. 224. 224.
Oh, okay, sir.
16x square plus 9y square minus 24xy minus 144x plus 8y plus 224 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, completed. All of you done this problem?
Yes, sir.
Ananya completed. Ananya, Anavadya, Bhargav,
Yes, sir, done.
Pratik,
Yes, sir, done.
Risha,
Yes, sir.
Sri Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Prajwal.
Yes, sir.
Then time is over now. 8. One more problem.
So can we do next class?
Okay. Okay, time is over now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Happy
you, sir.
Diwali.
sir.
Thank
Happy
you, sir.
Diwali.
Happy
Okay,
Diwali.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Happy Diwali.
Okay, thank you. Same to you.